Welcome back, first timers. We're back here for another wild one, but this time we're at Navarre Beach where we're gonna jump on some glass bottom kayak boats.
The tour is being put on by Navarre Beach Marine Sanctuary, and we're excited to check it out.
We're gonna get out there, check out the reef, and I'm gonna drop a GoPro down to see if we can see any wildlife.
When you arrive for your kayak adventure, you're going to want to park in parking lot 40F, and that's in the CO Pavilion parking lot. And then you'll walk down the boardwalk, and their tent is set up right at the end.
If you can read it, then it's the right way. If you look at it and it's upside down, then your paddle's upside down, all right? Kind of think about like a chin up, about shoulder width apart for your paddle. You don't need to dig like a big canoe. Maybe a 30, 40 degree angle is all you need. So if you turn around and look, there's some white posts there. As you look at those white posts, those are right along where the reef is. So if you look back and you're in between those, then you'll be where the reef is out there. There's whistles on your life vest. Please make sure that you only use the whistle if you absolutely need to. You'll be getting in the kayaks out here. You see where it's kind of two little waves here. You're going to be on the other side of that where it's easier to get into the kayak, and we'll have people to help you get in.
So we're here now, a little bit late. We're holding everybody up, but Terry is absolutely terrified of water and she doesn't swim. So one of the requirements is that you're able to swim. So she's gonna sit this one out. I'll take you out there and she'll stay here and fill you in on the organization, the event, and what else they have to offer. I'll see you on the water. I am on the water and I am paddling, not so successfully. I'm trying to catch up with the group because we were a little bit behind. It's a glass bottom kayak. They give you the instructions that you need to get out to the water. They tell you how to paddle, how to steer, and they even give you a really newfangled fancy bailing device in case you take on water.
The Navarre Beach Sanctuary built artificial reefs in the Santa Rosa Sound and the Gulf of Mexico near Navarre Beach. These reefs were built to educate the public about the economic, environmental, and educational benefits of reef programs. And their volunteers carry out this mission every day. These kayak trips are held typically on a Saturday, but definitely check out their website for the dates and times because they do have to shift them a bit for weather events and other special events going on in the community like Blue Angels and the 4th of July. So check out their website for the actual dates and times. It's a 45-minute tour out to the reef where you can experience all kinds of sea creatures. While this is a guided tour, there are some rules that you have to follow. One, you have to be able to swim. You also have to wear a life jacket and be prepared to get wet. Also, children under 18 must be accompanied by an adult. The cost of this tour is very reasonable. It's only $25 and it gets you an entrance into the Sea Turtle Conservation Center afterwards. If you're an avid snorkeler or even a beginner, this reef is great for you. It's close to the shore, so you can test out new equipment or hone your skills. This reef is about 15 feet down into the water, which makes it great for beginning snorkelers and scuba divers that want to hone in on their skills. This reef was built about 11 years ago, and 6 years ago they added on to it. They're continuously trying to search out funding so they can expand the reef even more. Their hope is to get it all the way down to the pier.
So we're out here at Navarre Beach, doing the kayak tours, which is put on by the Navarre Beach Chamber Foundation. We own 6 plexiglass bottom kayaks, and we take folks out about 6 times a summer, take them out onto the little snorkeling reef right off of Navarre Beach here, and show them all the crazy sea life that's out there, all the fish. Sometimes we see, of course, sea turtles. Schools of tarpon might come through, but there's so much life out on the little snorkel reef. And we do this as a kind of a summer activity through the Chamber Foundation. So you can find us at Navarre Beach Marine Sanctuary.com, and then you can sign up for any of the weeks that we're doing them here in the summer. Thanks for coming out.
Everybody that participates and keeps this program running is a volunteer. They give their time to make sure that they're highlighting the ecology of the area and preserving the sea life. So if you have an opportunity, definitely support them. Come on out. But for right now, I'm going to drop you guys in the water on a fishing line and see if we can see some fish.
David just got back. Let's get his reaction on the kayak reef tour.
Graceful dismount. Whew. I got real seasick. When you pay for this experience, you also have access to the turtle sanctuary. We've been there once before. I don't think we filmed in there, but it's great. They have giant turtle in there. They have a lot of information. It's a really cool place, but we're gonna dry off, maybe go check that out. But initial reaction, it was great. It was fun. There's a little bit of wind, a bit of current. I don't know if I got anything on the GoPro, but I'll tell you, I got a little seasick. So we still got to go to Shark Bite in Navarre for great breakfast burritos. They're notoriously known for amazing breakfast burritos. I'm gonna try and keep it down because I'm feeling a little nauseous right now. But we'll either see you at the Turtle Sanctuary or we'll see you at Shark Bite to get a burrito.
Behind me is the Sea Turtle Sanctuary. It's not open yet, and David's seasick from the kayak, so we're gonna skip it today. But we'll drop some information about it down below. We're here at Shark Bite to get some burritos, and I'm gonna introduce you to.
My name's Rich.
And why don't you tell us a little bit about your business?
Well, this is a little breakfast burrito shack that we started this July. Will be 12 years. We just do breakfast burritos. Sometimes we'll throw in some lunches on the weekends, things of that nature, but that's what we're known for is our breakfast burritos. We have some pretty unique ones. Everything ranging from like chorizo and habanero cream sauce to, believe it or not, we have 2 burritos that actually have fried Spam in it. A little bit of inspiration from my travels around the world. We started this in 2012. Fast forward 6 years, we were able to build a restaurant.
And where's that located?
That's in Fort Walton Beach. We don't have the view that we have here, but strategically, we're right outside the back gate of Hurlbut Field, Eggman Air Force Base, that area. And we have a huge military following. We're military families anyways.
It's great to meet you, and thanks for having us.
Thank you very much. Absolutely. Hope you enjoy everything.
We couldn't settle on 2 burritos, so we went with 3 burritos. We're trying their special, which right now is called the Op 4, and it's full of all kinds of great things. And I also went with the Ghost Rider, which has a whole bunch of other great things. And Terry went with something that sounded amazing as well.
I got the big combo. It's got eggs, bacon, and sausage.
Just be prepared that there is a little bit of wait. They make every burrito to order, and there's a lot of people that are clamoring to get their hands on one of these bad boys. So if you can call ahead, definitely do that. If you can't, come sit by the water, enjoy your view, and wait for your burrito like we're doing right now. The burritos have arrived, and it wasn't that long of a wait, so it was maybe, I don't know,
maybe
25, 30 minutes, but there were 65 people ahead of us. So these are in very high demand. People love these things. Anytime they're traveling here, it sounds like they come here for a destination location. But it's not just a tourist trap. People come here that live here. These burritos have been a mainstay and a staple in this area. With that said, each burrito is a honkin' mamma jamma of tortilla, eggs, flavors, all the things.
It's about a pound burrito.
Yeah, I'd say at least a pound, maybe pound and a half. These are big burritos, and we got 3 of them. Each one comes with their own special hot sauce, which I'm excited to try. I hope it's not too hot, but they make it in-house, and I do know that the heat does fluctuate based on the peppers and the season, but the flavor is very consistent. The temperature, just go in cautiously. Let me see where we're at today. Ooh, that's the perfect amount of sweet and
Spicy
heat.
one?
It's a little warm, but it's sweet, it's hot, it's tangy.
Mm. Ooh,
That's delicious. So,
it is tangy, but I like it. You know, I was feeling a little spicy today,
I'm starting with the Ghost Rider.
and I've got my big combo.
Cheers. Yeah, that's the ticket.
I really like that. It's sweet and savory and cheesy.
This chorizo's got a nice little spice to it. The cheese is super creamy. Those eggs are fluffy. It's everything you want in a breakfast burrito.
So I've got bacon and sausage. The bacon cooked perfectly, sausage, great flavor, and it's got like a maple syrup drizzle in there. It's sweet, but it goes really well with the savory flavors.
Now I'm gonna take a big bite with this hot sauce. I think it's gonna take this burrito from a 10 to probably a 15.5.
I better test out the hot sauce as well.
That's the business right there.
That little bit of tang and heat
Mm-hmm.
pushes it over the edge.
Oh, this is great. If you're not staying here in Navarre Beach, you can get these burritos, I think during the weekday, over in Fort Walton Beach, outside the back gate of Herbert Field. We'll link their website below so you can check their time, hours, and all that kind of stuff.
We're gonna swap skis. I like the green onions in this one. Oh, but it's spicy.
This is good. This is like Canada in a burrito. Maple syrup. That sausage is great.
I definitely like mine better than yours, but the green onions on here really make it pop.
And I like the sausage. It's cut sausage with the skin on. That's some premium sausage right there.
But don't forget,
We got one more.
can't fill up on these two.
This one's their current special, the Op 4. Oh, that's a burrito, baby. That one's more lunchtime vibes. A crumbled Italian sausage with all the other breakfast items in there. It's good. It's not sweet and it's not spicy, so it's kind of right in between the two flavor profiles.
The grilled onions with that Italian sausage.
Yeah.
Oh man, and it's a little bit of heat to it, but that cheese cools it off.
We're definitely not going to finish all these burritos right now. These burritos were the perfect thing to settle my stomach after that kayak ride. We highly recommend that you support the Navarre Beach Chamber. Get out there, check out the reefs, paddle around on the kayak, but you have to stop here at Shark Bite Burrito because you will not find a better burrito in this area. Guaranteed, hands down. But if you do come by, let them know the first timer sent you. But if you like this video, check out this video right here.
Where we explored Navarre and got snowballs from Tommy's Snowballs.
Ah, Tommy's. They got them creamed, they got them stuffed, they got them drizzled, they got all the things. But thanks again for following along in this episode and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.